Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and today's topic is 3 wild pro blues rock guitar licks. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, join me on Telegram, write me a review on Google Maps, HPCrazy Guitar Academy, and this or how these little suckers sound like. They're really cool. That's more or less how they sound like. So let's get started, and at the end I'm gonna play a version where I play my inspiration with these 3 licks to get that you get some inspiration. But now let's check out these 3 licks. Okay guys, they are in the key of D minor, so we're playing the D minor scale, and we move using the 2 main positions, let's say the 3 main positions. First the root position here, D minor pentatonic, then the position down here, and there you're gonna see. Well, it starts here with this part here. We're in the D minor pentatonic, and this note doesn't belong to the D minor pentatonic, but it's a half tone bending to 12 to 13 to 10 to 12. And the rhythm is one rhythm figure which you really can memorize because it's used very often, is a dotted 8 note, then a 16 note plus a 8 note, and 12. Just 3, 4, 3. Da, ga, da. That's a really common rhythm figure. The better you know that one, the more precise you are. So it's really simple, and you can use many different types of melody lines just with these figures. So really memorize this. So, and now we jump down in position 3 of the pentatonics with a palm muted run here. 3, 5, 3, 5. 3, 5. Palm muting, put your hand here on the strings. Here a pinch harmonic, move the hand down, and see, move the hand up. So the whole lick is like this. 3, 4. That's the whole thing. Looks really simple, but it's a really effective, sounds way wilder than it is to play. Yeah, that will be the first lick. Let's play it with the track. Yeah, somehow like that. Has not to be exact, that rhythm at the end, but at the beginning has to be the way it is. Good. The second lick is a really cool one. I love this one. Actually, it's a sextole lick, but first note are 2 sextoles together. So sextoles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. That is sextoles, 6 notes per beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so like this. And then, well, you don't really have time to count till you make the bending here, the 12th. Release it. Pull off. And then we have 4 remaining notes. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. The bending then just without attacking, you don't attack at all anymore, just the first. And then resolve it here on the root note, or you could also resolve it could also resolve on the high note if you want. Here, bending in the 13, it's up to you. But it's a really cool lick and very effective and not so hard to play. Just then release, pull off, hammer on, pull off. Let's see how that one sounds with the track. With some delays, really cool. It's not so hard to play. You just need to get the timing together, and then with enough distortion, you can make it really make the legato playing easy. You don't really attack, you just attack the first note, the rest you just play out. See? Good. So this was the second lick, and the third lick, that one is a little bit harder, I must say. We are playing the Dorian scale, D Dorian. 3 note per string. We start here 8, 7, 5, 8, 6, 5. And again we play sextols, but legato. So we attack, then pull off, attack again, pull off. See? So attack, pull off. But in sextol, then we repeat this phrase again. Then 7, 5, 4. Repeat again. Then 7, 5, 3. And now it gets really hard because you really have to have this spreading grab thing and play legato. Then 7, 5, 4. So. And end up here in the 5th fret. First to do it slow and count 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the tempo. Yeah, but sextols, or as you probably already noticed, they are faster than what we just practiced now. So that will be first to practice it that way, especially on these things here. Don't push it too hard because you can get injuries out of this if you push it too hard. Keep your time. But once you're done with that, it's going to sound awesome. I'll show you. Really awesome. So putting these 3 licks together, they all alone sound really cool, but you can add anything additional and just add those 3 licks, and then you're gonna sound awesome in blues rock. Yeah, folks, I know this is not really for the total beginners of you, to say it a little less hard way. It's not for everybody, of course. It's not so easy as it looks like, but the good news is also not so hard as it might sound like. It sounds fast and wild, but it's somehow still not too wild and not too hard to play. I mean, especially the first lick with this interval jump gives a really wild vibe. Yeah. Take your time on the legato stuff, serious, especially on the third lick. Take your time if you want to go into that one till you get it running, and then it's going to be really cool. Good. One more to say, if you want to have the tabs and the backing track for this lesson here, is available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there, because we're building up a cool community there with music, guitar lovers, and sort of interact, stuff like that, and make the premium membership upgrade to support the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, because also to get the files for download. Good, so join me on Telegram, HPCrazy, or the HPCrazy Academy, I think. Join me on Instagram. Write me a review on Google Maps, HPCrazy Guitar Academy, and now me and drpink are playing a version for you of our own by including these licks.